Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen of death on your iPhone 14 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 14 Plus, or any of the iPhone that is having this issue. It's a simple and easy fix if you follow these steps. So very first thing is making sure your phone is actually charged at least half hour or if longer if possible. Now, when you're charging, you want to make sure the cable is working. Sometimes the cable or even the adapter block doesn't work, and you may think it's charging, but it's not actually charging. So try a different cable. And if you have a wireless charger, I recommend doing that, as the 14s can wirelessly charge as well. You just lay it, charge for half hour to really ensure that it is charged. Also, make sure there is no dust, lint, dirt buildup on the charge port, as when you try to go to charge it, sometimes if it is blocking the charging connection, it may not actually be charging and the phone may be just dead. And you want to make sure that it has a good connection. There's no case or something blocking it as well. So try a different charger, try a wireless charger, and then making sure it is clean as well. Now, once you have done that, the next final step to do is following this method, which is going to go ahead and actually turn on your phone. So you're going to quickly press and release volume up, followed by volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen shows the Apple logo appear. So all I do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button just like that. And you're going to keep on holding. And once you see the Apple logo, you're in business and the phone should turn on normally. This will not delete any of your data. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying. This method works, but you have to be very precise in this, clicking the volume up followed by volume down in sequence very quickly before coming and holding down the side button until you can get the screen to show the Apple logo. Again, try as many times as you need to. All you're doing is quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down this side button just like that. This is basically forcing it to restart itself if it has a black screen of death, which for the most of the time, if the phone is charge or doesn't have enough charge, it will work every time. So go ahead and try it, and like I said, after you know it's been charged, you're going to do this method and it will go ahead and fix it. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.